Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be cooking zucchini noodles. But before I start by preparing prawns first, I will clean and rinse prawns thoroughly before I fry them. Okay? Add butter into the pan. Fry garlic first, then add prawns. Let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Let's dive into the nutritional facts of prawns. They are also known as shrimps. Prawns are a rich source of selenium, which helps to prevent the growth of cancer cells in the body. Also, prawns are rich in source of omega-3. Prawns are also rich of omega-3 fatty acids, which is very good for a heart. While I'll wait for prawns to be ready, I'll grate zucchini and onions. Before you grate zucchini, you have to clean them as well. After I finished cooking prawns, I'll continue grating zucchini. Again, start by cooking grated onions, then add zucchini. Add 1 tablespoon nutritional yeast and salt to taste. Sprinkle black pepper at last to give a flavor. Then mix for the last time before you pour them into the vegetable drainer to drain all the excess water, just like noodles. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe.